Now, see, many aspirants, they think
हाँ
like how to actually prepare for
सर नीचे कैमरा और
MPhil
माइक
clinical
बना हुआ आ रहा है,
psychology
मैं इसे अपना म्यूट
tests,
कर दूं, है ना?
and many a times they focus only on clinical psychology aspects. So I think my other colleagues will also agree with me that when we think about MPhil clinical psychology, we feel that we need to prepare the clinical psychology portion only. This is not true, because as I think all of you, all part aspirants will agree with me, that actually many principles, even if you see the social psychology principles like attribution theories, communication models, so they are also equally important when you are dealing with patients. So when you are actually dealing with your client, you are not only utilizing the core clinical psychology aspects, but you are also utilizing the social psychology aspects. You are also doing research. So therefore, when you are actually preparing for clinical psychology entrance exam, we need to focus on all the aspects. Even during training, like this is my own personal experience as the head of the department, that we try to impart the knowledge principles from all the areas of clinical psychology, and not just the not just the clinical psychology, but all the areas of psychology. Because to understand a patient, we need to adopt a more, you can say, a holistic approach. So if you want to understand a patient, you need to apply you need to use the principles of general psychology also. And secondly, like if you see, if I talk about behavior therapy, from where behavior therapy have come? Be- Basically, it is driven from the learning theories, and learning theories are taught at general psychology level. So until unless you know about general learning principles, how will you learn behavior therapy? So such things are always there. So it is my suggestion to all the aspirants that when you are preparing for MPhil, or when actually you are doing MPhil, you need to keep yourself open, and you should read all the aspects, all important aspects related to psychology, and not just the clinical psychology.